Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in Robinhood app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Robinhood app. So once you open your Robinhood app, you need to tap on the login option. Then once you have typed it in, you need to now type in the email address of your account and then type in the password of your account as well. And after this is done, hit the login button and you will be redirected to this kind of interface where you need to type in OTP sent to your mobile phone number. So after you have typed in the verification code, you can simply be redirected to this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap in the PIN code and verify your PIN code as well. Once this process is done, you will get successfully logged in into your Robinhood account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.